most important thing and rule number one in the yard sale notebook is rule book. Provide yourself with the proper breakfast. It'll keep you fueled throughout the month. Stoner log. 4th of September in the year of our Lord 2021. This weekend is just going to be open.
In half a mile,
state.
turn left on US 13
That means
North.
I'm going anywhere and everywhere this morning to find the treasures. I need to report back to you, the viewers, what I've exactly picked up today. Already have one plan because I've talked to the person by PM, and I got a typewriter. Imagine
1,000 feet.
Imagine
use
that.
the left lane to turn left.
Plus, who knows what else. So, follow me this morning and let's see what happens. Catching these people right out the gate. Yard sale time. Antiques.
And my house is going up for sale
for
in
her.
2 weeks, so.
I'll be back by it later, but if you get working planes, put them aside.
All right, I'll
Can I
find
get some change, please? That's a 20. Brand new one.
Yeah.
Thanks for working with me.
Crazy. And you know what I picked up? Nice Smith Corona from early 60s, late 50s. Very clean. That's why I grabbed it. Let's continue to Hocus. Oh, I'm Harry the Eighth, I am. Harry the Eighth, I am. Now, let's go rock it at the plan pickup and see what else they have. You're talking strawberry shortcake. Look at it.
She was mine, so that's from the 50s.
Yeah, I like the.
Does this have a?
Up until the last minute, he actually worked.
If I could sing the Beatles, I'd be singing you Yellow Submarine, even though it isn't a Yellow Submarine. I got a 1940s wind-up submarine that isn't broken, in fabulous shape. I think it was a steal of a deal. We'll see. Not a steal of a deal, but it's a nice deal, and it's something I'll hold on to for a while. Condition, 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 and it's mine. Look, it even has its gun still. All the propellers are there. It's sweet, and look how nice a condition it's in. So, let's take that baby back home. Oh, I just bought a blue submarine, a blue submarine. Bang, bang! Heading back to where I started this morning. Now they got their stuff out there. Oh, I see a banging lamp. Don't tell me I'm gonna get another banger if it isn't sold yet. That's something I don't want. Let's go see what these people have. Yard's full of gold, hopefully.
It's actually pretty decently, I want to say that people like it, but everything she wants, I'm just going $5 a piece.
Yeah, that's probably a great. Somebody's gonna see this video when I put it on YouTube, and they're gonna kill me that I don't know anything about the jewelry. Yard full of treasure. Do. I think I'm gonna buy this.
Hell of a morning, man. I am banging out the vintage stuff, and I am thrilled. Even got Tupperware, $1 a piece. Bang, bang. We're at the red light, and now the morning's been just smashing. 2 places, 2 moving sales, a van load of loot, and it takes us into yard sale overtime. I've also got Glass House picking me up some banging stuff in Pennsylvania. So this is going to be a video well worth watching, people. Let's see if I find anything on the way home.
Pop-up yard sale, and another one right down there. I see a lamp from here. Is it a goodie? I want to show. There's the old lady in there.
I'll take 5 for it.
$5 for your lamp? That lid. Put the one in there and I'll take the lid and put that in my car. License plates. Damn, that's old. These are sweet. Sweet. 1929. Bang, bang. Holy smokes. Look at that monkey. Jesus Christ, this morning just won't end. There's the toys. Ninja Turtles. This is turning out to be one of those dream mornings. It's just won't stop. I'm just banging it out and everything's vintage. This has the makings of something. It's a farm. Hopefully they've got some really nice stuff. It says an estate sale, but let's see. Hopefully it's not picked over yet. I see the loot. There's another stinking lamp. You gotta be kidding. Really? Good God. There's no Halloween ones though, huh?
Other than the Dracula one up front, but he's in a coffin.
Really?
Just a little.
He's a little guy? How about him? How much is he?
Everything's making a reasonable offer. We're
I don't
trying
have
to
a
get
clue.
everything out of here.
Would you take 5 for him?
Perfect.
No kidding. How about the Santa Claus? Would you take 5 for him?
Sure.
I'm gonna take him too. I'll take. Yeah, if there was like Beatles, I'd be interested in that. Jesus Christmas! Look at this stuff. Watches. Oh, they're no big deal. This day just don't want to quit. This stuff I know nothing about. Some of it's valuable. I don't know. And you got, what are these things? Before the loot reveal, I just sold this last night for 140 bucks. A smashing deal, because again, it didn't cost me anything. It was found in an attic. The table of treasure. It's loot reveal time. So let's go over how it all began was this. Of course, a typewriter, so that took me up there. So I went to this place. But before I got there, I went to this place. And I popped that for 10 bucks. So that's a damn nice typewriter, and it's in great shape. I'm thinking 50 to 100 easily on that one. And it all works. It still prints and it's good. So I know they've got stuff coming out. That's the first thing he went and got for me. So I said, I'll be back. So I go back to this place and they're ready. They sell me that and then I get this baby. I think this is sweet. That's old 1940s. There it is, Wolverine Supply and Manufacturing, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I don't have the key to know that that works. If that works, that even goes more of a bang bang. So this goes with that pick, what I went eventually for. Then I go back to this place, and they've got Halloween stuff, $1. Tupperware, $1. Then I got these mint-shaped Polly Pocket backpacks. I guess that's a lunchbox. These are full. They're full. There's Polly Pockets and both little Polly Pocket hiding there. Look at it. Look, they still got their stinking tags on them. These are from, I think, 2004. So, $1 a piece for these Polly Pockets. You're darn right I'm getting them. What the hell else? Oh, I paid $5 for a cookie jar. It's probably McCoy. It's dusty. Then I paid $5 a piece for these. These never been built. They're from the 70s. Call me nuts? I don't think so. I comped one of those that went for $65. I don't know how much that's worth, but that's brand new and unopened. So that's the morning so far. Then it goes into overtime. Yard sale overtime. I go to the first yard. I did not want that. I did want those, and they were $2 a piece. Why not? I thought, if that lamp, I said, just for the hell of it, how much is that? I thought I wasn't even going to take it home for 10, but they said $5. This thing's hand painted. So why wouldn't the loony lamp guy pick this up and think that he can get over $100? Am I loony? I don't think so, because I'm gonna sell that thing and make some money. I gotta see if it works, but I'm almost guaranteed it does. Next yard over, I scored 2 vintage license plates. New Jersey, 1938. Maine, 1929. I think that's got a lot of value. $5 a piece for those. To end it, I stop in a yard that has an estate sale. And I pay them $5 for this. I don't think that's as good as I thought it was, to tell the truth. I paid $5 for Dracula. I know he's good. I got to see if he works, of course. I paid $5 for both of these. One of them comped at good money. So there's the markings. I don't know. I took a shot on Grandma and Grandpa, the chicken farmer. $3 for that. Why? They had a whole box. I grabbed one. Now I'm going to look it up. We'll see what it's worth. Did I just throw some money out the window? I don't think so. So to sweeten this table even farther, I got one more thing to show you. So I leave the deck. I had Glass House Greg pick these up for me. And you can only imagine what's in here. Paid $25 for these. Can you guess what it is? There they are. 4 Royal Albert Beauties. This is a rainbow. That's a rainbow, I believe. This one here, very nice color, is the Highland Twistle. This one's banging. This can go up to about $150. This is a beauty. There it is. Gold Crest Series. All the Gold Crest Series ones seem like they're higher end Royal Albert teacups. Again, this one's the rainbow. These ones probably together might get you 20. That's 20. That's anywhere from 125 to I think about 150-ish. These are nice. I like my teacups, and you know I do. So as evening sets over our fine state, I've had a very fine day of treasure hunting and pickups, and this kind of was cream on the crop with the 4 Royal Alberts. So 2 typewriters and other things. This has been a banging day, no doubt about it. So that's my haul for today. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, I'm Harry Humstone saying later.